Slowly, slowly.
Oh, he got up. Workout Wednesday.
Hello, my name is La Paeli.
Hola, me llamo Ioki.
Aloha, my name is Akele.
Xin chào, tôi tên là Hiếu Lê.
Hello, nama saya Wanapana Pakalakele Palake.
Nguyenners Maui.
Good morning, you guys. We are about to go grab some breakfast. This is the current situation. So yeah.
One eternity later.
Finally putting the top down.
Where are we at then?
We at Sugar Beach Baker. Bake Shop. Sugar Beach Bake Shop. We're gonna get some pastry for breakfast. So let's go.
This is what we're here for. Hopefully they still have some.
So we got the local kine quiche, which is with Portuguese sausage and kimchi. And I got the spam musubi.
Spicy.
And got a little coffee. You know, can't start a day without coffee. So for today, unfortunately, we have to say bye to Jorge. But yeah, and then after that, we probably would go to another beach and hopefully snorkel and see some turtles. So this bake shop is famous for their local Hawaiian donuts. And Rafa, what do you have?
I got a Boston cream.
Boston cream?
Let's give it a try. Yep, it is really good. Yep. That's cream good.
It's fluffy, fresh, and a bunch of sugar.
So is it good?
If that's your breakfast, that type of breakfast, this is the thing for you. It's good though. So after breakfast, we're taking a little short walk to the beach. It's Audrey right there, currently sitting on top of this rock platform, enjoying the sunset.
2 hours later.
So me and Flannery are laying on the beach. She's inside her towel.
I don't want wrinkles.
But check out the view.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been.
Sharp off Jorge. Now we're all hungry. We're gonna go get some lunch at the Eskimo Candy Seafood Market and Deli. No snow here, but we can still go find some Eskimo. But yeah, let's go. Supposedly one of the best store here.
Alright, we got our food. Seafood chowder, poke
thank
bowl,
you.
coconut shrimp, poke bowl,
Tempura shrimp
tempura shrimp
and mono fish.
and mono fish, and coleslaw, and french fries. Alright, ready to try?
Yep.
Let's dig in.
About to feast.
Okay,
I'm gonna try the seafood chowder. Let me get my hair out of the way first. Easy. Oh, it's good. It's kind of spicy. Has a little kick to it.
It's good. Very creamy. You can taste the seafood and the
There's a little kick to it, isn't there? It's a little bit spicy.
tiny bit. It's good.
Are you happy right now?
I could eat poke forever. I love Hawaii.
Me too, me too. Rafa?
And for me, it's a shrimp. I could eat shrimp all day.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know you liked shrimp that much.
Yeah.
How's the tempura shrimp?
That's a good flavor.
Yeah.
Good combination.
So we got this look like furikake tuna. This is a shoyu tuna. This is the spicy tuna. All right, resume the program.
Taco.
We got octopus. Octopus. Taco.
Octopus taco?
No. Okay. So in the local language they call it the taco, like T-A-K-O, taco.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Alright, try.
Ooh, so good. Full flavor, crunchy, and fresh. Spicy ahi. Bomb. Lots of flavor. Furikake ahi. Man, even more bomb.
Larry said the shoyu one's the best.
It's really good, but I would like the furikake more. But it's so good. This is a lot better than the other poke places we went to. Like top notch. Alright, you guys. I'm like a walking billboard. Yeah, you know, like we got like the chair in front and the chair in the back with all the gears. Going to the beach today.
Okay, made it to the beach. Trying to figure out our setup here.
Tables? Yeah, that's where.
I'm injured.
Watch his head.
All right, life update.
Time to get in the water.
We got the paddleboard and time to get in the water. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. You have Rafa? Yeah, you can.
Alright, Rafa. Baywatch. You have the red shorts on.
Oh yeah. Well.
Come on, Rafa. Is this your first time doing it?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Got it on
Just
camera.
Make sure you put it on your ankle.
Yeah. Life update. Rafa got on the paddleboard. Now we're gonna try to get to him.
Oh, you could do it from here. Try getting up right now.
Weezy's turn.
Slowly, slowly.
Oh, he got up. Workout Wednesday.
Paddle the other way. I mean the other. Turn your paddle 180.
Ah!
Turn your paddle 180. Yeah, there you go. That's the way. Oh, the other way. Oh, yeah, that way. No, the other way. That way.
Okay, yeah, you look better now.
Perfect.
Alright, now paddle. Why didn't you balance with the other foot?
Later that same evening.
Alright, you guys, we got back to our Airbnb after the beach and we've been eating dinner, but dinner has to wait because, hold on, give me 1 second, you guys. Our last sunset here in Maui, so we're gonna take a walk to see some sunset. Let's go. Alright, you guys, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you for tuning in and for watching with us. We hope you really enjoyed this vlog, and see you in tomorrow. What we are going to do next.
Yep. And don't forget to keep winning at life.
If you enjoy our video, hit the subscribe button.